Hello Fossil Ridge, my name is Alexander Chappelle, and today we are going to talk about how your peers trick-or-treat.
My name is Julian Amundsen. I am a sophomore and I trick-or-treat.
So, Julian, why do you still trick-or-treat?
I still trick-or-treat because it's a good way to get to know people and hang out with your friends and get candy.
My name is Thomas Hastings. I'm a sophomore here at Fossil and I'm a trick-or-treater. I still trick-or-treat because it's really fun and I enjoy going and getting candy, but also part of it is because I go a lot with my cousins who are a lot younger than me, and I'd like to spend time with them.
My name's Megan Bean. I'm a senior and I still trick-or-treat.
Alright, Megan, why do you still trick-or-treat?
'Cause free candy, Alexander. Plus, I love dressing up and hanging out with my buds.
What do you think of teens that don't trick-or-treat anymore, and why do you think they stopped?
I think they're just kind of over it. You know, as a little kid, you usually do it with your parents, and it seems like a kiddie thing to do. You dress up in your favorite TV character or movie character, and I think they stopped because it seems like a thing for little kids.
I think that they've stopped trick-or-treating because just societal norms have an age limit on trick-or-treating, and I feel also once one person stops in a friend group, most people want to keep spending time with that person, so they're not going to trick-or-treat without them.
I think there are lots of different ways to celebrate Halloween. I mean, if you want to stay in and you want to watch a movie with your friends, or you want to go, attend another event, or you have a Halloween party, I think as long as you're getting out and doing something, I think all holidays are fun, and you can find different ways to celebrate them that suit you.
Alright Fossil, I hope you learned a little bit more about what trick-or-treating looks like today. And I challenge you, grab some friends, have some fun, and go out trick-or-treating for one last time. You may be surprised about how fun it actually is.
So Rosie has really influenced me through softball and through a bunch of other things because she just always has a positive attitude and is just always uplifting, and it just makes you want to go talk to her. My freshman year, Rosie was always the one to help me when I needed help with stuff since she's an upperclassman. She has made my love for softball even stronger. I've played with her for 3 years and I've loved every year playing with her because she's just so nice and caring and a good teammate. If anything happens on the field, she's always in the dugout, getting everybody up and positive. And she just kind of is a leader on the field and outside the field, and I just really inspired to be like her. Rosie's probably more of a sister to me than anybody else on the team, just because we've bonded. I've bonded with her more than anybody else. She's just really nice and a really loving and caring person. I don't know, we're just kind of dumb and we just always giggle all the time. We're both really giggly. We both get probably both of us together we are the most giggly people ever, and it probably seems annoying to other people, but we just have a lot of inside jokes that just make us closer than I am with a lot of the other girls. It's really hard just because I know it's gonna be rough next year. We just have little nicknames for each other. It's just gonna be really different, me as a senior and her not there. I probably tell her that she's one of my favorite people and I love her, and that I know that she's gonna do great things in college and I'm gonna miss her a lot.
Aww, that's so nice. You're so sweet.
It always feels nice when somebody says that you had such a good impact on them, just because it's something that I never really realized. And I don't know, it's just really cool to know that you can, make somebody feel better when they're feeling sad, or be a good friend and be there for somebody. And you made me laugh halfway through. But that was so nice. Thanks, Jade. Oh, I love you.
Working in the lab late one night, an eerie sight, for my monster from his slab began to rise, and suddenly, to my surprise,
he did the mash.
He did the monster mash.
The monster mash.
It was a graveyard smash.
He did the mash.